Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In this tutorial, I'll teach you the step-by-step method on how to make money with Chatgpt and Fiverr. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube, and please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. The first thing you need to do is to go to Chatgpt. This is how Chatgpt looks like. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you can sign up for those who don't have an account. So if you have an account to Chatgpt, all you have to do is to click on login. But if you don't have an account to Chatgpt, you just click on sign up. And when you click on sign up, it's going to bring you here. You are going to put in your email address, you are going to create a password, and you click on create account. That's how simple it is. If you already have an account, you just click on login. It will ask you for your email address, for your password, and it brings you to the Chatgpt interface. So this is one step that you have to do to be able to use Chatgpt on Fiverr. The first step is for you to have an account with Chatgpt. Like I said, if you don't have an account, you click on sign up. If you already have an account, just log in and start using the platform. Next step is to go to fiverr.com. This is how it looks like. I'll put the link in the description box below. Fiverr is a freelance platform that connects businesses or individuals with freelancers who has digital services to offer. When you're on Fiverr, if you don't have an account with Fiverr, you click on join. I have a video where I explain the step-by-step process on how you can create an account and get started with Fiverr. After you are done setting up your account or you've logged into your account, let's assume a buyer logs into Fiverr. And on the search bar, they search for write Instagram captions. They need someone who can write Instagram captions for them for, let's say, 30 days. Let's search for it and see the search result. So you can see the search result, the services that are available. There are a lot of people who render this service and they are making a whole lot of money. You can see here, this person has done 325 orders. And the price is $125. You can imagine $125 times 325 orders. That's a whole lot of money. So you can see that you can make a whole lot of money from doing this. And it's very simple. You don't have to create this thing yourself. Let's assume you are not good with writing Instagram captions. You can go to Chatgpt. And on Chatgpt, you can just type write 30 Instagram caption for a restaurant. Make it catchy and convincing. Now, while you're using 30, let's assume the client wants you to write a 30 days caption for them. So this is how you're going to go about it. And you click on enter. You can see Chatgpt is giving us a 30 days content plan that you can actually submit to a client. You don't have to start writing it from your head. So when you read through this caption that Chatgpt has given you, all you have to do is to read through and edit. You can see it's still writing. And see, why settle for ordinary when you can dine at the restaurant's name and experience the extraordinary? This is very, very good. So this is how easy this is. So all you have to do, you copy it. When you copy it, you can put it in a Word document, you edit it and you send it to the client and you get paid for it. Go on Fiverr, look at people who are offering this service and you can see the amount that they put here. We have someone who is even offering for $100, 25. This person who has even made 325 sales is putting their own price for $125. So this is how simple this thing is. How do you create a gig like this? I have a video where I explain how you can create a gig on Fiverr. So you can watch that video, understand how you can create your first gig on Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.